Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 9SE, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find Tools folder, click on it and choose Recorder app. Now select Allow in the pop-ups and click on this red button to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using this right one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the red one again. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to rename it, you need to hold it, then select Rename over here, and input wherever you wish to. Now click on OK to save your changes. If you wish to listen to it, you can always click on it and manage it from here. But if you wish to delete it, you need to go back, hold it one more time, but this time select Delete icon in the middle and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!